Good morning. I thought I'd do a quick flip through of the Junk Journal January very chunky monkey altered little leaflet thing that I did. You watched it, you know what I mean. So yes, the outer cover worked really well. I stuck the corners on. Sorry, I'll leave it there because I did zoom it right in. Let me just stick the light on as well. So anyway, I hope you're all well. It's Friday today, so yeah, so I just did a very simple stamped thing. I don't know what to call it. Yeah, and it's turned out pretty good. I like it. So I'm going to do a flip through. I can't remember all the prompts because I conveniently stuck the prompt list on the back page. So I shall probably flip through like back to front, back to front. So I apologise for that right now. Okay, so the first one was resolutions. And I remember saying in the video, I don't do resolutions, I'm going to do goals. So those were my goals. Don't know how many I'll achieve, but you know, we'll see. So yeah, so the goals were travel, flowers in my garden, and more gel printing because that's a chore. Okay, this one was starry. I seem to remember. Sorry, this is probably going to drive you nuts, but yeah, starry. So I did starfish, and then I realised I wasn't going very junk journal-y. So after this one, I think I started to go a bit more junk journaling. But I enjoyed doing that. I like the starfish. I thought it was different. Stained, yeah. So I did a stained glass window. This is failing. So I think, I don't know. I mean, I used, this is, what was it? What was this plastic? Oh, file folder, wasn't it? Yeah, you know, the plastic file folders. The 3-in-1 glue isn't sticking it, which is like Fabri-Tac, and neither is art glitter glue. So, but it stuck it here. I guess it's because it's a pocket. I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. So yeah, this was alcohol inks on the plastic, and then I had a die cut that I used there, and then was that the second part? Yeah, decorated tag. So yeah, I did a tag with a tag in the pocket. It wasn't terribly, you know, I think I was a bit tired that day maybe, but anyway, that's that one. And then this one was routine. What do I routinely use? I use a lot of gel printing sprays. I love using the leftover die cuts. I always think they look really good, and I love these flowers from Tim Holtz. So there's lots of layers on that one. So this one was stitched. I remember that because there's loads of stitching on it. Yeah, I used a piece of Stamperia paper left over from a big project that I did. Was it last year, a year before? Can't remember. Stitched the page to the book page. Yeah, various stitched bits and bobs here, and then I did a journal card in the pocket, which was left when I stitched it on, if that makes sense. This one was, sorry, shimmer. Yeah, I used a lot of shimmery paints on this one. Again, I don't know if you're picking it up on the camera, but yeah, did a belly band shimmery tag pocket. Yeah, that was shimmer. And then this was blossom. I love this one. I still love this one. To me, I feel it's my best page. I love this flower. Glad I did a double spread. It's so interactive, and then, you know, the tags here, love those. Put the blossoms on, and yeah, I'm really happy with that one. And what was this one? Hidden. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I did the hidden journaling spot inside the belly band, and just put a tag in it, as you can see. Again, using die cuts and just scraps of card and what have you. This one I think was intricate. Yeah, so I die cut the shapes and then just wrapped them. Spirelli, I think it used to be called, but I know you did it in different angles. But anyway, I like that one. I think that's quite effective, that page. This one was pocket. So I did a fold out pocket there, triple pocket, and decorated and what have you. You can see it there. I shall pin it back down. This one, I can't remember what this was, bear with me. Throwback. Oh yeah, throwback, yeah. Tea bag folding. Yeah, enjoyed doing that one. I made it into a top tuck. So yeah, really nice, like that. That was a good throwback, that one. Hobbies is the next one. So hobbies are, you know, sewing, painting, messing around. I did a bit of gel printing, which went completely wrong, but anyway, we did it. And then yeah, another tag in there, and then a tag in this little pocket here, which yeah, I enjoyed that page as well. It all came together. I thought it was going to be a bit of a disaster, but it all came together in the end, which is really the important bit. From the day. Oh, that's right. Yeah. I went into town, and that's my parking. You know, the ticket from when you pay for parking. And I think, yeah, these were bits. Oh, that was a paint card. I've got the other ones here somewhere, and I'm looking frantically, can't see them. Yeah, that was that. And then I can't remember what that was. Oh, that was a I can see the RSPCA through there. Yeah, I went into the charity shop, so that was a price tag from there. And that was, I bought something, and can't remember what it was, but that was the backing paper from my purchase, and I just covered it with gel prints and what have you. Quite like that tag, it's quite different. So that was that one. Barcode. This one was quite difficult because it was, anyway, I went with a black and white bag, as you can see. I drew some stripes to represent barcodes. Yeah. And then I obviously barcodes, quite a bit of it was from purchases and what have you. But yeah, anyway, you saw that one. So, and then I just did a journaling spot under there. Another barcode there. That looked very barcode-ish to me. That's a word for you. Barcode-ish. Folded. Oh, I did the origami picture frame, didn't I? Turned it into a pocket, which, yeah, put the tag in there. I think that's all I did for that one, wasn't it? Yeah, I did a bit of collage on the background. Oh, that's where I grew up as a kid. Yep, that was that. Top 5. Yeah, it was gel printing. Can't remember what my top 5 were. Embossing maybe, I can't remember. But anyway, I managed to make this picture, this layout. So yeah, I'll have to go back and watch my own video. I can't remember what I said was my top 5 things. Anyway, this, honestly, how this turned out, I don't know. Was that maps then? No. Did I miss one? I had barcode folded, top 5, maps. That's not maps, or was there maps underneath? No. Oh, I've missed one here. Maybe that was maps and folded. Did I do a joint one? Oh, see, that's my memory going. And that, see, that was hand lettering. I've gone out of sync, haven't I? I'm quite amazed how this turned out, actually. I've never done this before, not really. I like watching Denise Lush, and she does lots of this. But yeah, I was quite pleased with the way that turned out in the end. I've got myself out of sync now. Maybe that was texture. Yeah, that was texture. Yeah, that completely went... Yeah, I must have done a triple one there. Anyway, texture. Yeah, I've got a lot of embossed stuff on here. And this embossed, I think it's deli paper. Oh, I can't remember. You know me and my memory. Right, that was embossed. That was texture rather. Experimental. Yeah, I bought the Seth Apter inks. Somebody commented, I like your nail varnish inks. Yeah, I don't quite know why they've been put into like nail varnish bottles, those inks. But anyway, I enjoyed the sprays. I enjoyed the inks. I thought this was going to be an absolute hot mess. It wasn't coming together, but I'm really glad it did in the end. So yeah, I just sprayed a load of card, didn't I? Just experimenting with the inks. And it's very pink, but it's all right. It's, yeah, pleased with that one. Old and new. Yeah, so I used that stencil. Sorry, it's just real memory test. This is. I used the stencil to make the pocket here. This cut paper, this background paper, I've honestly, it's got to be 15 years I've had that. So I was glad to get that gone. Yeah, new things. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that was, yeah, I enjoyed that one. Oh, that was stickers as well. Yes, I had some stickers there. Yeah, I remember some of the pages I did doubles up, didn't I? Right, scenery. I still laugh at this one. So I stuck obviously a picture in the background. I tore out the rocks here, made a pocket, and yeah, did that one. Quite simple and quick to put together, that one was. That was scenery, one colour, so I chose blue. It's, you know, different shades of. I used a tea bag box in the background. You can still see it, but, you know, I was sort of fretting over that. I should have, you know, in hindsight, I should have put gesso on, but I didn't. And you can still see the print from the tea bag, but yeah, made it a flip up. Yep, so that was that. One colour. Wordy. Oh yeah, Wordy. I kind of struggled. I think you knew. Yeah, I just stuck loads of different book pages on there and made a journaling card out of card and more book pages, and then just stamped the word create and its definition there. Yeah, I was a bit stuck on that one. Earth tones, yeah. Went with sort of browns and a bit of green. Again, you could interpret that in lots of ways, but yeah, I was quite pleased with that one anyway. What else did I do? Antique. Now, yeah, I struggled with this, but it did get there in the end. I know, I can't remember who it was, said when I picked up the blue, they thought, oh, that'd be brilliant, but then I changed my mind. But the Distress Oxide did actually turn it sort of look like it's old wallpaper, so I was really pleased with that. And then just an antique copy of a postcard, and this picture, I can't remember where I got it from. I just covered that one with a bit of paper because it looked horrible otherwise. Musical. Oh yeah, this was my Wales song. I didn't have any instruments. So yeah, I did birds, did a flip up there, bit of collage, did the whale in the Irish Sea, little birdie there again, you know, got Don Quixote there, the music papers and what have you. So it was all I could think of. And that was it, I think, wasn't it? Unexpected was the cover. I wasn't expecting to do that. I was going to do a gel print, but when I saw those papers sat over on my side, I thought, do you know what? I'm going to go patchworky. It's not perfect by any means at all, but it's fine. And then closure, I just did a hitch post fastener because I like those and I think they work really well. So yeah, so there it is. It's all finished. It'll sit up on my shelf now. I did find the one from January last year, which I forgot I'd done actually, but yeah, this was last year's. I think this was the first one I'd ever done with her. So yeah, I put a lot more info in here, and I should have done that with that one because I have forgotten what I did, but that was last year's January one. I never finished it actually. It looks like I got to page 26 and then I just, yeah, I kind of ran out of steam, I think. So anyway, so that was that one. And then I did do, bear with me, come here. I did do the July one, so I'll probably do the July one again, and that was that orientation. Quite enjoyed that one actually. So yeah, so they're really they're fun to look back through, because you know I forget, you know me, I've got a shocking memory, and to go back and look through these things, I mean that was so involved, that page, and I don't remember doing it. It's on video, I know it is, so that's fine. I mean, that's one of the joys of YouTube. You can go back and look at your own work. So, you know, there's some pages in here, and I'm like, how did I do that? But yeah, so good fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. As I say, I'll probably join in with her July one, because I do enjoy doing them, even though they are a bit of a commitment every day, especially, you know, if you're still working and stuff. It is hard work, but never mind, there it is. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it was in depth enough. If you want a bit more close-ups, let me know, but you saw the videos anyway. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.